notice with Muralmatics and these projects that we put together in terms of impact is students growing in their confidence, growing in their creative confidence. I see them sort of reluctantly blossom in this sort of concentrated 2 weeks of working together. Initially, we set them up with a lot of grunt work, if I'm being honest. Cleanup, wall preparation, priming, sweeping.
Shirts out of my boys, clap twice. Beautiful. All right, I need eyes and ears.
And then we get into the funner stuff. But by the end of these projects, students' confidence and just their sort of like autonomy and agency just opens up. And so seeing that is really kind of what drives me and motivates me to keep putting on these kinds of projects, to see the students really grow and flourish in their confidence.